Hello friends, this is Shruti Parashar. I welcome you to my channel Biology 360. Today we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions on immunity and antibody. So the first question is, a person has developed interferons in his body. He seems to carry infection of option A, tetanus, option B, malaria, option C, measles, option D, typhoid. And the correct answer is option C, measles. Interferons are basically a group of signaling proteins made and released by host cell in response to the presence of several viruses. So when a host cell gets infected by any viral infection, the host cell, it produces interferons. So if we see option A, tetanus, it's a bacterial disease. Option B, malaria, it is a protozoan disease. And option D, typhoid, is again a bacterial disease. So answer is option C, measles, because it's a viral infection. Question 2. Antibodies are secreted by option A, T lymphocytes, option B, B lymphocytes, option C, both A and B, option D, natural killer cells. And the correct answer is option B, B lymphocytes. Antibodies are secreted by B lymphocytes. Question number 3. Humoral immunity is associated with option A, T cells, option B, B cells, option C, macrophages, and option D, both A and B. And the correct answer is option B, B cells. Humoral immunity means antibody mediated immunity. So B cells, it provides us antibody mediated or humoral immunity, and whereas T cells, it provides us cell mediated immunity. Question number 4. The antibody which can cross placental barrier, option A, IgA, option B, IgE, option C, IgM, option D, IgG. And the correct answer is option D, IgG. Question number 5. The most abundant class of immunoglobulins in the body is option A, IgA, option B, IgG, option C, IgE, option D, IgM. And the correct answer is option B, IgG. So IgG immunoglobulins are the abundant class of immunoglobulins in the body. Question number 6. The term immunity refers to option A, mutualism between host and parasite. Option B, ability of the host to fight the disease-causing organisms. Option C, ability of the parasite to survive within a host. And option D, a fatal disease. And the correct answer is option B. Immunity means ability of the host to fight the disease-causing organism. Question number 7. The antigen binding site of an antibody is present at option A, the constant region, option B, the C-terminal, option C, the variable region, and option D, between constant and variable region. And the correct answer is option C, the variable region. So the variable region has the antigen binding site, and the antigen binding site is also known as paratope. Question number 8. Passive immunity can be conferred directly by A, vaccines, B, antitoxins, C, colostrum, and option D, both B and C. Correct answer is option D, both B and C. So passive immunity is provided when a person is given antibodies to a disease rather than producing them through his or her own immune system. Question number 9. The most abundant antibody produced against allergens. Option A, IgE. Option B, IgA. Option C, IgG. Option D, IgM. And the correct answer is option A, IgE. Allergens. Allergens are basically the allergy causing substances. So whenever there is some allergen enters inside our body, immunoglobulin E is produced in more amount. Question 10. An autoimmune disease is option A, SCID, option B, rheumatoid arthritis, option C, myasthenia gravis, option D, both B and C. And the correct answer is option D, both B and C. In an autoimmune disease, the immune system mistakes part of your body, like your joints or skin, as foreign. It releases proteins called autoantibodies that attack our healthy cells. What is rheumatoid arthritis? In rheumatoid arthritis, the immune system attacks the joints. This attack causes redness, warmth, soreness, and stiffness in the joints. Myasthenia gravis is a neuromuscular disorder that causes weakness in the skeletal muscles. So out of these four options, option B and C are both autoimmune disease. Friends, do subscribe to my channel Biology 360 to get all the latest videos on biology. Thank you.